Good evening.
Yes, very good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, and thanks for asking. What about you?
Yes, same here. I'm also doing well. Everything is fine. Yeah. So, dear, I would like to know about yourself. Would you like to give your brief introduction?
Yeah. Of course. Why not? Uh, I am Deepak Burman. I was born and brought up Coachbihar district of West Bengal, and if I talk about my educational qualification, uh, I have done my secondary education,
Okay.
and if I talk about my hobbies are singing, listening to music, and sometimes I play keyboard, mini keyboard.
Okay.
And recently, I am interested to learn English language.
That's great.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
all about myself.
Yeah. Nice introduction. Yeah.
Yeah,
May I also introduce myself?
yeah, of course. I want to know.
Yes. My name is Genda Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand. If I talk about my education, I have done my graduation. There are six members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. I have three sisters.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
You two also belong, to village, right?
yeah. I'm also belong to village area.
The background. Yeah, I can see the background. It's
Yeah,
totally naturally. Yes.
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 So, how is going your YouTube channel, bro?
Yeah, it's going well, but I'm unable to uh, do my work consistently. But I will try to, do or make videos, continuously or consistently. Due to some work or problems, I able to do every day. Yeah.
Yeah,
Starting, this language also, I have a lot of works at home, so we have to manage all the things.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Of course.
We have several works.
Yeah. I have also many works. I have to do many works.
Yeah.
Mm.
You also do agriculture. Do you grow, vegetables, crops or not?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing
Okay.
this work.
Okay.
I'm also selling vegetable.
Oh, that's great job. Yeah. How about weather in your city right now?
Yeah, right now weather is good. It's good weather because
Yeah.
it is not too hot and not too cold. Just good.
Oh, that's really nice. Was it raining yesterday or not?
Yeah. It start
Uh,
rained.
Here also, yeah, yesterday, it was raining a lot, but today
Yeah.
very fine.
Mm.
Approx, 31 degrees Celsius right now. So it's very cool.
Yeah. So
So, like to share about your journey, like how you came across to learn this language, and when the ideas or thought came in your mind, let's learn this language. And what is your main purpose behind learning this language? I want to know. Yeah. Would you like to?
yeah, of course, bro. Actually, bro, there are not proper issue behind my learning English language. There are not proper cause. Actually, when I bought a smartphone, so on that moment I thought, why am I not using my smartphone to learn English language?
Yeah.
This time for unnecessary watching unnecessary YouTube videos.
Yeah. Yeah.
So So that's why I started learning English language because I thought it is helpful for me.
Yeah, yeah, right. So
And there are many noise.
yeah,
And
yeah.
I have also a channel. I have also a YouTube channel.
No, I don't know.
I have also a YouTube channel name called Deepak Burma, and
Okay,
I am also here where I upload this kind of conversation videos.
okay. So how long have you been learning or making videos?
Yeah, yeah. So actually, I started learning to language this language first of all 5 6 year ago. Five
Okay,
six year ago, but listen one. But on that time, I could not continue my study. I could
okay,
not continue my learning process because I only try to learn this language by YouTube videos, watching YouTube videos. So on that time, one day a thief took my mobile.
okay,
So so basically, I had to stop to learn English language. But recently, 6 months ago, I started again to learn English language when I bought another smartphone. And on that moment, I started again to learn English language.
okay. So you are learning all alone, right? Living in a village.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Bro, you know very well, we are all belong to village area. So
Yeah,
there are no environment to practicing this language. And I don't have any friends with whom I can practice English language.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, before learning this language was difficult for all of us, but in this day, we can't say like it's difficult because we have a lot of sources.
Yeah,
There
yeah,
are
yeah, yeah,
many
yeah,
applications. Yes, if you cannot afford, there are many applications. Uh, those are totally free.
yeah,
You
yeah,
can
yeah, brother.
yeah, you can easily have conversation. You can talk with others. You can build your confidence, improve your communication skills. Yes. So in this day, learning English or any language has become very easy. Just
Yeah,
only
yeah, yeah,
that we have to do. We have to maintain our consistency. We have to uh, have to
yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, of course.
yes,
Ac- Actually, nowadays, if someone want to learn something new, he can because
right.
nowadays there are many sources available
Yeah.
on social media, and there are also many YouTube videos for learning something new. And yeah, so
No.
bro,
Yeah.
when you started to learning English language?
Yeah, if I talk about my journey, it's been, it has been more than 1.5 year. But last few months, I have been talking with, co-learners, and I'm practicing. I have been practicing. But
Yeah,
before, only I used to make videos. You can see on my YouTube channel there are several video are available.
yeah,
Only
yeah,
for my practice, I used to make one video every day. Yeah, because I belong to village, so and here we don't find any kind of friends to talk with them. That's why I thought let's create a YouTube channel, and I will make
yeah,
video there. There I will get friends. Yes, and if someone they watch my video, they will identify my mistakes. So yeah, I can say really my YouTube is helping me a lot to get friends, and due to YouTube, with the help of YouTube, I have created you know yeah, English speaking environment group. In that there are many learners. We can easily interact with them,
Yes.
we can talk with them. Yeah.
So, how many subscriber you got?
I have got I have gotten till now 8,500 something. Yeah.
Yeah.